What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So let's go over where we left off on Monday. You can see that since Monday, price did move up higher all the way up to the 259 level and then sold off sharply just yesterday, and now we're seeing a slight recovery today. So is Tesla still looking pretty good for the upside? I think so. The reason being is that we're still above the EMA and we're still inside this yellow uptrend channel, which is a very bullish sign. It looks like price pulled back to that breakout area. It didn't pull back all the way to the 242 level. It stopped right here at the 247 level, which was some prior highs. If I just drag this range up higher, so something like that. It looks like it did pull back to that breakout point. But either way, it's still leaning towards the upside. The reason being is that, again, price is above the EMA, which is a good sign. Price is inside this yellow channel, which is a very good sign too. And we have measure move targets towards the upside, so that's a bullish sign as well. So we have a measure move target at the 287 level, and then a retest of this prior high back here at the 297 level. So again, everything is still pointing to the upside for Tesla. Things can change, obviously, right? The market is dynamic. It's not static. It's moving right now. It's a live being. So again, it can change, but as right now, it looks very good towards the upside. Until we see a push through the 242 level, some type of crash, then I'll be expecting higher prices. Until then, if price does crash to that 242 level, I'll be expecting more downside. But again, until then, I'm just going to be expecting more upside all the way to that 287 level. So looking pretty bullish for Tesla. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price, it made two large legs down. So this gets kind of complicated on certain levels. So we had this prior orange downtrend, and then we had this yellow uptrend in play. So price had an overshoot of the orange downtrend, which leads to a breakout side on the opposite side of the channel, which occurred. But normally price doesn't reverse just right away like that. Usually you'll see two attempts in the same direction as the prior trend, which was back down to this 101 level. So you can see this was the first attempt by the sellers to reach that level and failed because it was a nice bounce from the 210. This was the second attempt and it failed because price also bounced from that 210, 200 level again. Now we're seeing price trend up higher. So this tells me that, the bears tried to restart or reignite that downtrend and they're failing. And now we're seeing the bulls being able to reignite their uptrend, which is towards the upside. So there was this prior large leg up, two legs down, marks the center of the pattern for another large leg up. So this would be targeting the 395 level, 411 level. And this could take place sometime in the middle of next year. So again, if all things being equal, meaning we see similar volatility as we did in 2023, we could see a similar size move up in 2024. So it's still looking pretty good to the upside. This week is looking kind of neutral. The QQQ or the NASDAQ is right near all-time highs. SPY is about to make new all-time highs. So again, a lot of market is starting to top out, at least in the short term. So we're seeing some indecision and sideways trading. But eventually, price is probably going to push through those all-time highs and continue moving up higher. There's a lot of people who think we're going to get a crash, and I don't see it right now. Usually, it still looks pretty good to the upside. There's still a lot of room. It's not like we're overextended and we reached long-term measurement targets. You can see that Tesla is still not even close to its all-time highs. I mean, we're literally, 38% down. So again, this is still pretty good to the upside. So again, looking for more upside for Tesla in the short term and long term. And I'll give you guys an update most likely next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.